So step number 2, you can tell my essay, all the paragraphs are basically put together, however they're pretty colorful, and they still have these section headers where it says body paragraphs and conclusion paragraph and whatnot. So we're going to fix that in a short while. The first step in step number 2 is upper right hand corner, click the 3 dots. Make sure you have print layout selected. Make sure it's blue, because when you have that selected, you're actually going to be able to see where pages begin and end on your essay. For example, this is the beginning and end of one page. If you don't have that clicked, it's going to mess you up, especially when it comes to creating your works cited page, but that's the next video. Once you have that clicked, here's what you got to do. You got to just go to the top so that it's not moving around much, and you're going to have to click this A. And you're going to want to go down and click clear formatting. Oops, I messed up. Here's what you actually want to do. Go to the text, hold it, press select all. Then you click on this A up in the top, and then you go down to the bottom and you press clear formatting, and voila. Look at that. Oops, I definitely don't want to delete my stuff. Look at that. Now you don't have any of those colors. Everything is just black and white text, and your paragraphs are put together. You don't have to delete the color individually or anything like that. There's a lot more we got to do though, so go ahead, highlight all of your text again, select all, and keep that A selected. So this is what you got to do for the essay. I want you guys to first go to the font. Instead of Arial, scroll all the way down, Times New Roman. Go back. Size, bring it up to 12. It's got to be readable. Don't do 13. Don't do 11. Do 12. Text color, everything should be black. Highlight color, there shouldn't be anything. Paragraph, don't put it center. Don't put it to the right. Don't do this one so that it looks neat. It's got to be aligned to the left. And then, this part's important too, line spacing. It says 1.15, you're going to have to bring that up to 2. And now everything is double spaced. Super duper important. All right. Let's see what else we have. We've got, what can I show you? At this point, we can, let's see. Sorry, I'm clicking something on my computer while I'm also doing this on the iPad. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to create my header while I have a chance. Everything is formatted properly. The font size is correct. So here's what I got to do. First step, I got to put my name as a student. So my name is student name, right? Press enter or return on your iPad. Next thing you got to do is put your teacher's name. So go ahead and put Mr. Ramirez. That's my name. That's your teacher's name. That's what you got to put. Next thing, you have to put your class and the section you're in. This is how it should look. English 102. If you're in my 2A section, you're going to put 2A. If you are in my 4B section, you're going to put 4B. Either way, just put the right one so that you tell me what class you're in, and then press return again. And last but not least, you have to put today's date whenever it is that you're turning in the essay. So if you're turning in the essay, it's the 24th, the 25th, 26th, 27th, whatever. You got to put that in this way. You got to spell it out. So I'm going to put April, because today is April 23rd when the video is being recorded. April 23rd, 2020. And that's it. That's a proper header right there. And now you have this random line right here. What you want to do is center it. And I'm not going to actually give a title, or I guess I should. This is where you need to put the title of your essay. Every essay needs to have a title. You will lose points if you do not have a title, and you will lose points if you have a basic title like To Kill a Mockingbird or whatever. Don't be basic. Think of something good. It actually matters. So this essay that I use as an example is about Atticus Finch being a great father. So I'll call it something like Atticus Finch. Atticus Finch I'll use a colon. I'll put the exemplary father. Atticus Finch, the exemplary father. That's the name of this essay. Okay. It's looking pretty good. Everything's kind of put together. Things are formatted properly, but now you got to do this step. Now we got to delete these parts and make sure we go paragraph by paragraph so that we don't get confused about where they begin. The iPad is really dumb. There isn't a button to automatically press tab to indent like a computer. So at the beginning of each paragraph, you're going to have to press the space bar 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is how you're going to indent. Let's do the next one. Delete, delete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Then I come down to my next. But paragraph 2, delete this thing. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 2 more to do. Body paragraph number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the last one right here is my conclusion paragraph, right? Delete, 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 delete. And I come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Check it out. This is what our essay is looking like now. It's all together. You have your header right here. You've got your title in the middle. You have all the 5 paragraphs put together. There's no weird colors. It all actually finally looks like an essay. And it seems to be 2 pages, 2.5 pages, something like that. That's a really good essay right there. And then there's one more step that we have to do. Upper right hand corner is a plus sign. I need you guys to go, this is how it starts off, but you got to scroll down to the bottom and click page number. And then you got to click on the first one right here. And now it's automatically going to add these page numbers to every single page. But here's the other thing that's a little bit dumb. Press select all here. Go back to this A. Press text. And you got to change the font style to Times New Roman. And you got to put font size 12. Otherwise, for some reason, it automatically puts it in Arial size 11. But you want to be consistent throughout the essay because essays are about uniformity. So this is your first page of your essay. And there's your second page of the essay, automatically number 2 there. And page 3 of your essay automatically has a number 3 there. So that is all that you got to do for the formatting of the essay. It's very tedious, but a super duper important step.